Hello, welcome to another. Hold on a second. There we go. Hello, welcome to another session of Z3 development. This is going to be version 0.9.6 that I'm working on now. As you probably already saw in the screens before this. So let's update the version numbers on everything that we need to do. Starting with this one. Yoink. Oh, that's not where we go. I am in the right plugin, yes. That's where we go. Ah, come on. There we are, right here. And be revision 46, 44 rather. There we go. Alright. Next one will be this one. Put today's date on it, which is the 25th. And I actually have to update something on the patch notes here. Right here. I never did that. Which is not a problem because on my other screen I have it written down somewhere. Alright, not on my other screen. I'm just looking for the right document. There we go. Okay. Copy that. Paste it in there. And let me see. Update this. There we go. That's just how many updates have been done total since I started. Oh yeah, since there's no plugin updates or anything like that, the 9 does not change. Only the 5 changes to a 6. It's kind of weird I'm working on the versions. Maybe it's not official or anything like that, but whatever. I know it's technically it's major, minor, build, revision. These 3 numbers, and then there's a 4th number out there. Yeah. But that's not quite the way I'm writing it. And it is okay. This has the wrong. It says right D on it. Alright, I'm getting a little bit turned around. Today's the 25th. Good. That's the way that should look for now. Change this to 44. Done. This is all set. Yeah, good. Alright, now I'm caught up with that. There's one more thing I have to change, and that would be in the error reporter. Wherever I put that. It's in here somewhere. That's it. And I changed that here. Oh, that has been changed in a while. There we go. So when it reports an error to me, it actually shows the right version. Yeah. So if something crashes, if the game crashes, for example, it sends an error. Report, an error report. Gives the player an error. And asks them to send a report. Alright, so it's been 12 days, I think. No, 10 days. Something like that. And honestly, I don't really, oh yeah, remember what exactly I was doing. This hasn't been changed in a while. There we go. This screen doesn't appear to have any purpose right now. It's just there. Can't really access it yet, but there is a way that I can put a command in the main menu where you can select it and it will go to the screen. I have to look that up actually. Where? I think this is it. Alright, so I found the script for it. Now, to figure out which of these plugins affect the main menu, or the title menu, I should say. Come on, where is it? Where's my core? There it is. No, I know that's not it. Menu layout. It's just what appears on the title screen. It does not have to do with the menu itself, title menu itself. See if I can find it. Alright, title command list. This is it right here. Okay, so how to work this one. Let's see. It's been a while, so I gotta remember how to do this. Okay, good. Alright, this symbol is what the script refers to. This text is what actually shows up. This is the JavaScript text, which we're not going to use. That will take place over the string text. Yeah, okay. Return true, return true. What the heck is this? Oh, that's my readme. Duh. I thought I was on this one. Okay. There we go. This is what I want. Show and enable. EXT is null. Ignore that. And this will be my run code. Okay. So the good. It's already in there. And the run code is going to be, all right. Don't worry, I'm going to fill in these as soon as I figure out the map stuff. And then I want one more line. That. Okay. Title command list. Gotta remember that. This is map 6. And my position will be 17 by 13. And the direction is going to be 0 for retain. And the fade is going to be 2 for none. Okay, that's what all those things mean. They don't meant because they're still there and they still mean it. Okay, good. Except I don't want this there. I want it under options. Yeah. Okay, good. So the ID is the map ID, which is 6. The X coordinate, which is 17. Y coordinate, which is 13. Direction, retain. and fade none. Okay, great. And good. That's not main menu. Return you to title screen. Good. Mark that in my changes. Alright, my changes say this is version 0.95. And I gotta go check this again real quick. Yeah, I got this label as 6. Huh. It's because I didn't update anything in the changes yet. I gotta redo that. I gotta do that. Haha. It's a little confusing when you don't update things. Of course, I haven't really had a chance to update anything. Just moving a couple things around and updating stuff. And that's all set. That was just my phone. Okay, let's save this. Run it real quick. Excellent. It works fine. It works beautifully. Also, I've tested out the controller and it does work. Well, my controller works anyway, so I made a little note in the controls.txt file, which was already there actually, that using a Logitech F310 controller, or compatible, or similar I should say, whatever, is recommended because that's the controller this has been tested. This game has been tested on and it works on. So yeah, I don't know about other controllers. I assume that if you have a gamepad or a controller that's similar, it should work. Just keep in mind you may have, if you do use the Logitech ones, you may have to install the Logitech gaming software. I currently don't have it installed, and I have it on the X input, not direct input, switch on the bottom of the controller. And it works pretty much like an Xbox 360 controller. At least that's the way Windows reads it as. So yeah, I'm using a Windows 11 system. So yeah, those of you who don't like it, go ahead and whatever. But that's what I'm using. That's what I have. That's what came with my computer. And I'm not about to change it. Some people would argue Linux is better. For certain things, I would agree. For certain things, I would disagree. I've dealt with Linux and a lot of reading on it. Personally, I am tempted to get a computer and throw Linux on it just to learn the system. But honestly, I don't have that kind of time or will to do that, as it does require a lot of work to set up the system. Okay, so anyway, enough about that. That's just a sidetrack again. Yeah, oops, I did not mean to do that. Yeah. Alright, so I am going to cut out Ally being added to the Tea Party because I don't need it anymore. Switch some of this stuff around. This switch should be activated after the achievements. There we go. I knew I could drag them around. There we go. So I want the self switch, which is this one. No, it is not this self switch. This is the wrong one, that's why. So let's cancel this. There we go. This is referring to this event here. And that will tie it up for the session. Have a nice day, and see you next time on Z3 RPG Development.